guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out a whole bunch of new makeup that I got in PR, new collections and all that jazz. So if you want to see how I created this look and what my thoughts were on this makeup, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I was going to use the BH Cosmetics Festival palette, but your girl accidentally threw it away when I was unboxing all of my PR packages. I had so many that I must have thrown it away on accident. I was literally gonna go dumpster diving for it in the trash in my apartment complex, but they just picked up the trash yesterday, I think, so I couldn't do that. So I'm just gonna improvise, okay? I'm actually gonna use 3 different palettes. The first color I'm gonna go in with is Love Letter. And this is from the Anastasia Renaissance palette. Oh, by the way, I am using the, okay, I don't know how to say this. I'm so bad at pronouncing things. So I got the P. Louise eyeshadow base and I tried it out. Obviously I did one eye off camera. And honestly, you guys, this is so bomb. This is my first time using it. And I swear it made all my colors come out really pigmented. And yeah, so I'm excited to show you guys how it works. I already primed right here. I didn't set it. If you follow them on their Instagram page, they don't set the eyeshadow base, so I didn't set it. So I'm just gonna put this into the crease. Oh, it kind of creased, so I'm just gonna go back over it with my beauty blender. And what I like to do is kind of just lay the color down first and then start to blend it out. And I'm using this with a very, very light hand. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Certifye Tropical Wonders palette, which looks like this. This palette is so pretty. This has become my go-to for like vibrant colors. I'm gonna take this yellow shade right here and I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner of the eye look. And then I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh my god, my eye is watering so bad. Every time I put lashes on this eye, my eye waters really bad. I'm gonna take this color right here. And I'm just gonna put that right under the yellow shade. And then I'm gonna go back into Love Letter and just blend that in again because the color kind of got taken away. You guys know the drill. I thought someone was breaking in for a second. Then I'm gonna go back in with the yellow. And then I'm gonna take this purple shade right here. And I'm gonna put that on the lash line. I literally have an eyelash in my eye. Oh, I got it. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my crease using the same P. Louise base. I'm not going to cut where I put the purple on the lash line, so I'm gonna kind of try to avoid that area. You don't need to worry about being too precise because we're gonna fix it up. And then I'm gonna take Primavera from the Renaissance palette and I'm gonna put that where I cut the crease. And then I'm gonna take the purple again. This is called the Diamond Dazzler, you guys. It's so freaking pretty. It's called a loose foil pigment. And they also sent a base over that you're supposed to use with it. It's called the Base Booster. And so I'm just gonna put the base booster down. And then I'm gonna take some of the pigment and just put it over that. Now I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm gonna try to re-put on the other one that was making my eyes water. But these are the Villan lashes in the style Mind Blast. You guys, my glue is literally expired. Like, do you see this? Like, this shit is done. I'm gonna move on to my face, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna be using the new Smashbox and Vlada collaboration, and this is the primer. You guys, the packaging is so freaking cute. Like, I can't get over it. I'm so excited to try this out. I don't know why I just smelled it, but this is what it looks like. It has a sheen to it. Oops. It says it's the Petal Metal Primer Photo Finish, which means it won't give flashback. It says gives you an instant rose gold glow for normal to dry skin. So let's try this out. It definitely gave me a glow. Do you guys see that? It gave me a super pretty glow. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Makeupforever Ultra HD stick. This shade is way too dark for me right now, but I don't have a shade in foundation that matches me. I only have shades of foundation that match my fake tan. I lost my Makeupforever one that actually matched me when I'm more paler. So I'm just gonna have to blend it down my neck. Hopefully I don't get it on my white shirt. We're praying. Pray for me, you guys. Ah, I'm so scared. Wow. You can still see the glow from the primer underneath the foundation. So far, so good. It looks so dewy right now. So how was your guys' spring break? I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I just feel so out of the loop. Like, I was literally gone for a month. My spring break was crazy. First I went to LA, Michigan, Palm Springs, back to LA. Like, I'm expired, you guys. I'm freaking expired. But you know, I still had to come through with a new video for you guys. Milk Makeup came out with concealers, I think. I don't know if these are new, but I just got them in PR and I'm gonna use it. It actually doesn't have a color on it, but this is what it looks like. Ooh. Wait, this feels really lightweight and hydrating. Maybe put a little bit more. Wow, you guys, I really like that. It's not drying and I feel like it just melts into your skin. And I'm just gonna kind of put it in the places that I usually highlight. Set everything with my Laura Mercier powder. I don't have a new powder to try out, so this is my OG. I just got purple dots all over my face. Fuck! I love this look. I haven't done a look this good in forever. You guys know. You guys can tell me. I know. I've been slacking on the makeup looks. I was just feeling really uninspired, but today a bitch snapped. Okay? Okay. I actually did it! Wow. Wow. Now I'm just gonna take my powder brush and set the rest of my face. Oh, you guys, I failed. I already got makeup on it. Oh well. Oh well. Now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Matte Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And for everyone asking what brush I use, this is the M527 brush from Morphe. Why is my bronzer coming out so muddy right now? Whatever, we're just gonna run through it. I don't think I set my face enough. That always happens to me when I don't set my face enough. But it's okay, we're gonna run with it. And then I'm gonna use the new Patrick Star Spring Collection blush. Oh, it's a blush and a bronzer. I'm gonna use this one. Oh, that's so pretty. We're gonna set our face with the Petal Metal Shimmer Spray by the same collection. You guys, look at this packaging. I just can't get over it. This is like the best collaboration. Oh my gosh, no. No! This is not happening. It got a little bit on my eyeshadow, but we're gonna make it work. This kind of left spray marks on my face. This literally just ruined my foundation. Ah! Why? It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to go in with another spray and see what happens. I'm gonna cover my eyeshadow this time. I'm gonna go in with the highlighter. I think this is kind of rose gold. You better not fail me. Don't fail me. Oh, that's really pretty. It just gives like a pretty sheen to your skin. I really like that. So even though this was a no-go, do not spray this over your makeup, you guys. It literally ruined my foundation, but it's okay. So LA Girl just came out with new liners. So I'm going to use the purple liner in my waterline, and then I'm just going to buff it out with the same purple that we were using. Okay, you guys, this is the completed video. For my lips, I used the Tarte lipstick in LOTTA, and then on top of that, I used the Urban Decay lipstick in Gubby. So I really hope you enjoyed this first impressions of new makeup, I guess you can call it. And if you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe. I'll leave somewhere up here to where you can subscribe to. Comment down below, like this video, join the fam, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!